Hello and welcome to Unit 5 discussion. This particular discussion this week, prior to the final project week, is discuss VBA solutions for Office products aside from Excel. Provide examples of VBA automation for functionality in Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Access. Why do most users select Excel with VBA? Now, you have to answer the questions, and you can usually use VBA in any one of these products. But as you get into it, think about which, like I'm not going to be able to give you the answer, but think about which particular products that using VBA in them would be the most beneficial. Which ones would really benefit the most from it, and then you can start to answer your own questions. You can put VBA in Word, you can do it in PowerPoint, Outlook, Access, and all these different things, but which program best facilitates that and would be the best use for it, and then find, of course, collaborating information on the internet to kind of support what you're saying, but kind of think this is a best answer type way to go about doing things this particular week. So once again, I want to emphasize, make sure you're taking a look at the essay for your final. Make sure you're actually taking a look at your final product so you know what you're doing, and communicate well with your partner so you know what's going on. Thank you very much for your time. If you have any more questions, let me know. Have a good day.